This video is all about how to do formatting on lines of text in Google Docs, and this also applies in lots of respects to using Microsoft Word as well. When we want to format the lines of text, we think we have to select the whole line, but we don't. All we need to do is select one word, just one word. And when we select one word and we go up here and we adjust this to double, it's going to change the format of that line, even though all I did was select one word. Let me undo that with Command or Control Z. Look, I can select this word right here, just that one word, and go up here and hit Format and make that double. It's going to change the format of that entire line of text, even though all I did was select a word. And actually, I don't even need to select a word. All I need to do is get my cursor in the word or in the line of text. And then when I go to change it, it's going to change the formatting of that entire line. Now, let's say I want to select and I want to change a bunch of lines of text. And I want to format a whole bunch of lines of text the same way. Now, again, all I need to do is select a word in that line. But if I want to do a bunch of lines, now what I have to do is I have to hold my Command or my Control button. I'm going to hold my Command down because I'm on a Mac. And I'm going to select one word in each of these lines of text. I'm just holding my Command down, and while I double click, all I'm doing is double clicking on a word in each line that I want to format. Come down here, let me do all of them. Give me a second. All right, I think I got them all. So I've selected a word. Now I can't click. Don't click anywhere else in this text. But I can come up here and I can get on the line spacing. I can change the line spacing, or I can go up here and grab this right here and my ruler and move all that in and adjusting every line of text where I have selected a word. I can put that back. I can go up here and do any of the line formatting that I want to do as long as I've selected a word in that line of text. Now, once I click in the text, I lose my selection, and I now would have to go back and reselect a word in each line that I want to adjust the line formatting. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope this really simple little tip can be helpful for you.